Sana Warden. That just means thank you in Swahili. Like we like to say here, Twende, and Twende means let's go. Well, Jumbo friends, my name is Luke, and here soon we're going to be out in the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. But before we get on out there, a few safety reminders. You want to keep those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the truck at all times. We also don't want to stand at any point, right? They're kind of behind some bamboo. We have an okapi kind of poking out now. They have those striped legs. I like to call them their party pants. You might look at them and think they're related to a zebra, but they're not. Their closest relative is the giraffe. Also on the right, we have a greater kudu. This is a female kudu because she doesn't have horns on her head. If you'd like to see a male kudu, there is one on the spotting guide above you on the corners. They're also known as the ghost of the forest. And the black rhino, that's going to be up here on the left side of the hill. They are the smallest of the African rhino, weighing about 3,000 pounds. Pretty small, I know. They also have a prehensile body part. And they're the largest of the forest antelope, weighing 700 to 900 pounds. Now the word hippopotamus comes from the Greek word, it means river horse. And a group of them are called a bloat. As you come around here, you might see our baby Greta climbing over here on the left. You see her on the left there.
Who is that? Oh, there's a baby. Oh my gosh. You see her moving up there? Oh, baby. That's a baby hippopotamus. Oh my gosh. Where?
Crocodile. They're cold-blooded animals, so they don't move often. The more that they move, the more energy they have to use up. There's also one down in the water, close to us. Since they don't move often, it means they also don't eat. Baobab tree has a couple different names. One of those is the upside down tree, because it looks like it's planted upside down with all those roots coming out the top. Another name for it is the upside down tree. And that's because, the tree of life. And that's because life for all animals comes through water. Those trees can hold fusion, because whenever they're pursued by predators, they'll all stampede in different directions, trying to confuse them. We do typically find them in some big groups in the thousands, but they'll actually make a migration across Africa in numbers as large as 1.5 million. When they do that, they'll make a dust cloud so big you can see it from space. Also on the right, we're going to see the Ankoli cattle, also known as the Watusi cattle, named after the tribe in Africa that domesticated them. On the left, we have some hyena as well. There's one up because there's another one here in the distance. Walking to the left. Now, who thinks the hyena is more closely related to a cat or to a dog? If you thought cat, you're right. In fact, their closest relatives are the meerkat and the Monian side. They have a honeycomb-like structure, and that helps to circulate a lot of that heat in and out of their bodies. You can also see our juvenile there. He's the one closest to us. His name's Humphrey. 12,000 pounds. And they'll eat 300 pounds of food a day.
We saw that elephant. We saw...
You might notice some gray birds kind of in the distance by the island. Those are baby flamingos, born in the last few months. It's going to take them about 10 to 12 months to fully turn pink. Giant mane, weigh upwards of 40 pounds. For that reason, it slows them down quite a bit. It's actually the lioness who will do most of the hunting.
Is that the lion? Yes. Is that the Lion King? Yes. Is it Simba?
The Nigerian dwarf goat. Now, besides being super small and pretty good climbers, they offer a great purpose to the farm through their milk. It's very sweet, sweeter than that of a cow, and it's also been shown to be a bit healthier for those that are lactose intolerant.